Question 3. Priya is raising money for charity. She's selling tomato plants from seeds. She sells 48 tomato plants for £1.35 each. Priya keeps 15% of the money and she sends the rest of the money to charity. How much money did she send to charity, not did she keep? So, we're going to have to work out how much money she took in. So 48 tomato plants at £1.35 each. So 48 times £1.35. Now, you're going to have to multiply those, and there's many different methods of doing it. I'm going to use the Chinese multiplication grid. If you don't know that, you can watch another video showing you how to do that. So, 48 times 135. So 1 times 4 is 0, 4, 4 times 3, 1, 2, 5 is 20, so 2, 0, 1 times 8, 0, 8, 3 times 8, 24, 5 times 8, 4, 0. Okay, so we're going to add those up diagonally. Okay, so whichever way you choose to multiply it is fine, providing you've got a good method of doing it. So 48 times £1.35 is £64.80. So that's how much money she took in. Now she keeps 15%. She keeps 15%. So she actually gives 85% to charity. So we're going to find 15% of the money she took. So there's quite a few methods of doing this as well. I'm going to use this one. 100% is all of it, £64.80. So 10% divided by 10 is £6.48. And 5% is half of that, so £3.24. So we found 10% and 5%, so therefore 15%, we need to add 10% and 5%. So 15% will be £6.48, add £3.24. So that's going to be £9.72. So we found 15%. But the question is, how much money did she send to charity? She actually gave the charity 85%. Okay, so we have to take that away from the £64.80. So £64.80, take away 15%, £9.72. So that is £55 and 8 pence. Now question 3 is worth 6 marks. So let's have a look where we get those 6 marks. So you get 1 mark for a suitable method by multiplying 48 times 135. 1 mark for seeing the numbers 6, 4, 8. 1 mark for a suitable method to find 15%. 1 mark for taking that away from 100% to give you 85%. 1 mark for seeing the numbers 5508. And 1 mark for putting £55 and 8 pence. And that's it.